until now, stealing away toenails swollen with pus. Though the white nights of the world gleam like